All right, so you sign up for Crew Console account, and sometimes when people first sign up, they don't want to go through the training videos and kind of see, all the things that they can do or watch any of that stuff. So I don't blame you, but at the same time, I want to give you this quick video just to kind of run you through a couple of quick things about getting a job on the schedule and sending a text to your employees. Usually, most people are here for the scheduling piece, and so give it a try. I'm going to walk you through that. So when you first land here, one of the first things you probably want to do, if you click Share App right here, is this link that you see is a specific link for your specific company. So if you want to, you can download the QR code, print this off, stick it on a wall, you can scan it with your phone. But more importantly is if I were you, I would just take this and I would just bookmark this in my browser so that way I can find it really quickly and I can sign back into it. More about sharing the app later to your employees. It's really easy to do. But for now, once you've done that part, I would go then over to the schedule page and just start right there. So for mine looks crazy. I have a bunch of different colors and job names and stuff in there. This will become a little bit more clear once we start creating the job. So first thing is just add a job. In this case, I'm just going to do something crazy. All right. If you use job numbers, go ahead and put them in. I would always start with a test job. And then let's pick an address that we know, Pool Road, and then I'll put it in Archdale. This is where we're at. Okay, so the thing about this job is that it is located here. But if for some reason you want to move that pin, you can move it to wherever you'd like and move that pin. Now, the nice thing about that pin being moved, you can move it to some remote location. You can do whatever you want with it. The thing about this here is that there's going to be a lat long that goes to through a text to your employees and has a link on it. So if they click on it, it'll open Google Maps and it'll navigate them to that location. So colors, if you don't like the 10 that we gave you here, you can always pick a different color right here by more colors and do any color your computer can make. So for now, I'll just keep it yellow. Tasks, don't worry about tasks, but you can add tasks to jobs, and those are things that people can put photos, videos, notes, and attachments to, but you also can put time to them and set goals for them as well. But for now, I'm not going to set any tasks up. Just get a job on the calendar for now. I'll press save. The job is now set up and it says, hey, do you want to put this job on the calendar? Okay. So I'm going to say yes. But the first thing we're going to do is the scheduler's note. A note for a scheduler is just anything that you and another scheduler can see. So it could be like, order this or that. Or you could put something like needs 2 people. Okay, again, this is just for you and the other schedulers to see. Event note, this is what's going to go to your employees as a text, but don't worry for now. I'm just going to press save and I'm going to get it onto the calendar. So I have it like this. To see those notes, you press expand all, and now I see those notes. If you screwed up on the date, you can just come in here and just change the date or make it longer or shorter. You can just click around and change everything as needed. You'll also notice that this job is set up right here. I can put this on the calendar as many times as I'd like for any length of time. I can even put it on the same day if I want to, because maybe I have some people going out in the afternoon or the morning doing different things. And you can see here, as many jobs as I create, I can put these things on the calendar as much as I'd like. Okay, so I'm going to just delete these for now. Don't worry about all the extra features like how to link jobs to other jobs, how to push jobs. Those are all here, but those are covered in the training videos. And of course, you can always reach out to us and ask questions if you have any. Okay, so I've deleted those and now I have this event. Now over here, you have crews, employees, and equipment. Usually what I would recommend is just putting a test employee in here and then sending them a text through here and just making sure you understand that part, which I'll show you. But what a crew is just a folder, right? So I can create a purple folder that says Frank's crew or something like that. And it's just a folder. So I have this carpet division right here, right? And this is full of people and equipment. The equipment, you can add as much equipment as you like. But yeah, so I have this division right here, and I can take that whole division and schedule it. That's all those people and equipment that are on that job. They're gonna, when I send out the text, all these people that have phone numbers in here are gonna get a text, all right? So if I wanna add a new person, I can go add employee right here. And what I would do, if I were you, I would just create a fake employee. You have to create a PIN. So you have to create a PIN, just put some random, as long as there's more than 4 digits in there. But if the employees, even if they're not using the app, they still need a PIN, so you have to create that for them. But anyways, we're going to put my phone number in there, 336-442-1808. And if I were you, I would recommend putting in your phone number in there, your own cell number, so that you can test what the text look like. So I've created this person. Now, the other thing is if you haven't created a crew, it's going to go into the unassigned folder. So I have this crazy named person right here. I'm just going to press save. And I have it down here and it's gonna have this person with this crazy like setup in here. See, I have this HF. Now I can take this person and drag them into another folder if I want to, up in the above the folders here. I can just put them somewhere. Or if I want to, I can take this person here and I can press the magnifying glass and then pick the crew that I want to put them in. So I'm going to put them in the carpet division as well. You know what? Actually, I'm going to put them in the electricians. All right. So you'll notice here that I've used the crews as also a way to say, hey, these are the types of people they are instead of a crew. So I need this person on that job. Boom. Along with the carpet division. So it's really easy to do that. And now if I want to send out a text letting them know where they're going and what they're doing, I just press on this right here. And I can take the event note and I can say, hey, today we're doing, do this or that. Just a test text. And then what we'll do here is I want all the employees that are on those crews to see who else is going with them in the text. So I can do add employees like this so they all see who's going with them, and if they have a valid phone number, they're going to get it. Of course, these are all my phone numbers, so you see me many times in here. And if there's any equipment in there that I want them to see to go with them, I'm going to add equipment because those were on the crews as well. So again, I'm going to send them this text, and I can just press save for now and get this set up, and I can put another job on the calendar and just keep going and get it all set up. But for now, I'm just going to take this event right here and I'm going to send this out as a text. All right. And then every single person on those crews right there have just gotten a text of where they're going and what they're doing. And I would suggest setting the person up for yourself, trying it for yourself, and seeing how that goes.